Hi guys, my name is Anton Woronyuk and I'm Chief Executive Officer of Skills Booster Academy and Google Academy Trainer. In this Chat GPT course, we will talk about how to use this really beneficial AI tool to improve your digital marketing activities. I'm in digital marketing for 15 years. During this time, I was thinking about different toolkit, and Chat GPT is one of the best solutions you can use right now to get the better value for your digital marketing tactics and digital marketing strategies. My experience is on the both side, for agency and for education. Web Promo Agency is one of the best agencies in digital marketing. We are working with a lot of international brands such as Bayer, Sanofi, Johnson & Johnson, BNP Paribas, the United Nations, etc. And on the other hand, I'm teaching a lot of students. During this time, over 400,000 students were enrolled in my courses. So my experience helped me to understand how this game-changer tool like ChatGPT can implement and influence on your further career. We will talk about how to implement this tool in such toolkit as search engine optimization, paid traffic, Google Ads or Facebook ads, in your email marketing, copywriting, etc. So what we will do during this course? We will start with basic and we will go through the main topics of digital marketing where ChatGPT can be implemented. We will take real-time examples. There will be no theory, just practice. We will use screencast format to describe and show how this toolkit can change your life. If we talk about this toolkit, it's really brilliant if you want to write text faster, if you want to be like a native speaker, if you want to go through all digital marketing activities with higher efficiency and the best benefit. The common question that I hear about ChatGPT, will it kill some digital marketing profession? The right answer is no. In 2017, we were the part of Google Premier Partner Conference in Warsaw. At this moment, Google told, "Dear agencies, I will kill you." It was really sad to hear it, but at the same time, we understood that we won't die as agencies, but our work will be changed. And at the same time, we can understand that ChatGPT won't kill copywriters, social media specialists, SEO specialists, and other digital marketing careers, but it will change it. So this course will help you to change your life and become more efficient and more productive with using ChatGPT. So don't hesitate, come to the next screencast and we will talk about how this tool can make your life easier and better. So guys, let's talk about the basic levels, how you can use ChatGPT to improve your digital marketing activities. Let's start from my favorite topic, search engine optimization or SEO. In SEO, we use different AI tools for a really long time, maybe from 2017 or 2018. Such tools as Surfer SEO and others became our best friends in our search engine optimization. But if you try to do some things with ChatGPT, it will be really beneficial. You can see how we can do and see how it can change writing titles, writing description, writing your SEO text. You can tell exactly that, guys, I need title for my SEO page, or I need description, or I need to use this keyword 5 times, 10 times, etc. So a lot of beneficial things that can be done with search engine optimization. You can research topics faster. You can research keywords, you can research ideas, etc. So if you talk about search engine optimization, this field will be really beneficial and you will get a lot of efficiency and a lot of results working with ChatGPT. What else? Another big topic is paid traffic. Of course, we need a lot of time to write text for our Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. And what can be easier to do it with ChatGPT? You just can tell, guys, I need a promo text for my Facebook ads or Google ads where I need to describe 1 to 3 the main key points. Please help me. So it's another field where this artificial intelligence can be implemented. Of course, you can use it in combination with other AI tools such as DALL-E or Midjourney. They also will create pictures for your activity and you will get both text for your Facebook ads or Google search ad, and at the same time, for example, DALL-E will create a picture for your Facebook ad creative. It's also really cute and you can implement in your daily routine and daily tactics. What about email marketing copywriting? This is the most shifting field. You can change topics, your subtopics in emails, you can write different kinds of emails, you can ask Chat GPT to write your outreach email, etc. So this toolkit will be really beneficial, and in some case it will make the life of such tools as Grammarly much more harder. So if you want to create a lot of text content, you can do it with Chat GPT. Of course, you need to remember that your life will be changed and you are not will be like copywriter or email marketer, but you will be the engineer of artificial intelligence. Your task is to create the really right description for the technical issues and explain their artificial intelligence, give the right documentation, check the results, improve the results, and it will be the most efficient way how you can touch and implement artificial intelligence of Chat GPT in your business processes and your marketing strategy.
Hey guys, welcome to my Udemy interface breakdown. In this video, I will be showing you how to navigate through Udemy menus, how to use the Q&A section, and how to adjust playback speed. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you will have a grasp on all that Udemy has to offer. First, you have to type in udemy.com and navigate to the My Learning page here. Next, you have to select a course. On the right-hand side menu, you will be able to see the course section list. Within each section, there are additional materials that you can download, such as books, videos, and checklists that will be relevant to the lesson. For example, in the digital marketing course, we have a web analytics checklist. This checklist will act as a mind map during your time within the course. Other additional materials include my book, Cutting Edge Digital Marketing, which will come in handy during some parts of the courses. I recommend that you take advantage of these additional materials because they will enhance your learning experience. Now, let's move on to the Q&A section. It's normal that you will have questions about the lecture. My goal is to always provide the best support possible to all my students. By going to the Q&A section, you can find answers to some of the common problems that students are facing. At the bottom of the screen, here, there is a little tab you can click on titled Q&A. So just click on the Q&A tab. Automatically, you will be shown the most frequently asked questions that other students have about the course. This is worth taking a look if you have multiple questions that you want answered quickly. If you have a specific question that you need to have answered, there is a way to find this out as well. All you have to do is type your question into this box here, and if the question has been asked by someone in the past, it will show up down here. For example, how to use a CRM. And as you can see, there are questions that other students have had about CRM. Most of the time, there will be a solution posted below the question. Let's say that I want to know how to get my certificate. All I have to do is type the question into the search box, and again, I can see a list of questions related to how to obtain a certificate. The Q&A section is one of the most vital tools at your disposal. You can come to this section anytime you have questions. Lastly, I will talk about how to adjust playback speed and captions. Playback speed determines how fast the course you are watching will play. If you have limited time or you prefer learning at a faster rate, adjusting playback speed is useful. On the bottom left of your course video, you will see a multiplier icon next to the play button. Click on this button and accordingly you will be able to adjust the playback speed of your course video. For example, my speech is rather fast. If you want to slow my speech, click the 0.75 playback speed option. Some lectures might be slow, so you can then adjust the speed to 2x to view the course faster. Captions can be used to better understand the speaker. To turn captions on, simply click the double C icon at the bottom of the video. Okay guys, now you know how to use Udemy's interface. If you have any further questions, please write to me in the Q&A that we discussed in this video previously. Let's pause for a second. If you are confident that you are enjoyed this course and it is suitable for you, please leave your review. If you don't think it is so, please message us about what to improve. You can write a personal or express your concerns in the Q&A section.
Okay, guys, let's practice a little bit with Chat GPT. All this course will be practical, and honestly, Chat GPT was the one who helped us to create this course. A lot of things in structure, in titles, how we work with course, etc. They were also taken from the Chat GPT because it's a practical tool that can help not just make the life of digital marketer easier, but also it can make easier the life of us, creators of the online courses. So if you want to understand all basics that are in this course, I also have a great benefit for you. It will be my gift, my book, Cutting Edge Digital Marketing, which you can find on Amazon just for $4. But for you, you will find it totally for free in additional materials to this course. Most of our tactics will be built just on ChatGPT. Maybe a few things we will have to implement and interact with other toolkit, but honestly, ChatGPT will be really the one that will help us to make this course really beneficial for you and to understand how, as digital marketer, you can use the most efficient toolkit of artificial intelligence in marketing. So let's start with the first question. Let's ask ChatGPT, how can ChatGPT help digital marketer with daily routine? While ChatGPT will answer us, I will run through the main topics that we will discover during this course. Of course, the most viable part of ChatGPT functionality is about content creation. So we remember from all topics in digital marketing that content is a king, and we need to create content for the most of valuable activities such as search engine optimization, such as social media marketing, such as CRM marketing, etc. And if we think and start collaborate with ChatGPT, we see that ChatGPT's first answer is all about the content creation. We will talk about creating high quality content. Of course, some corporations and some companies, they already start to check which content was created by AI or not, and try to say that this content was created by people and we love it more. But right now, we don't see a long-term trend that content that was created by AI will be not such valuable and not such efficient, and the content that was created by people. As we discussed earlier, content creation is maybe the main topic that we will discover in this course, and we will run through the main stuff which explains how to use ChatGPT to create your content and to build your content marketing strategy. As we mentioned earlier, social media and social media management is a great part of your content strategy. So Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, other social networks, they will be really helpful if you start using AI and start using these functionalities that we have in ChatGPT. So digital marketers can use social media management toolkit, and they can use ChatGPT to generate their posts, text for their stories, some scenarios, scripts, etc. So it will be our another big chapter how ChatGPT can help you with your social media management, make your life easier. Among our clients, one of the biggest banks already implemented ChatGPT to be the one, their social media manager who will write all content for them. So we will also talk a little bit about how such experiments can influence on your business. Email marketing. Also, we can distribute our content with social medias, with SEO, and with email marketing. ChatGPT is really beneficial if you start writing emails, your titles, subtitles, text of emails. If you're not English native speaker like me, it's also can give additional benefits. It can take some time and some resources from such tools as Grammarly, for example, and using ChatGPT for writing your emails. Not just for classical email marketing when you get database and start communicate with this audience, but also for this case where you have such functionality where you have cold emails, you start using such tools as Hunter.io, Snow.io, Beachbox, etc. ChatGPT can be also beneficial because you can ask ChatGPT to write emails, to personalize them, and it depends on you how good it will be, how many parameters and how many stuff you will share with ChatGPT. SEO. SEO is my favorite field. I've started 15 years ago as SEO specialist. Right at that moment, I was studying all information about Google patterns, how they work with it, how they interact with information. RankBrain, one of the first iterations of Google search engine intelligence, was born at that time. And AI in search engine is not something new. But at the same time, if you talk about SEO routine, all things that search engine optimization specialists do on daily basis, ChatGPT is really beneficial. It's about keyword research, about understanding the topic, writing titles, writing descriptions, writing SEO-related content. SEO optimization is another big chapter of our story where we'll discuss how you can implement ChatGPT for all stuff and how you can do it in the right way. We will try to do it on our own examples, for example, on Skills Booster Academy. Customer support. Of course, if we talk about ChatGPT, it knows a lot of answers. For example, you can ask it who is Anton Voronjuk or something about Udemy, and you will get a lot of information. It's already Googled before you. The main issue that the most of information in ChatGPT is still before 2021. Of course, it will be updated soon, but it's a small thing that can make your life not such easier. It may make your life more complicated, but at the same time, answering frequently asked questions using ChatGPT, using API of ChatGPT is also a big deal for business. It can be also used for making your digital marketing better. If we want to summarize during this session, even this chapter, this lesson was structured and created by ChatGPT. In our next examples, we will run through the all basic stuff that you can use as digital marketer, and we will talk about content creation, about social media management, about email marketing, SEO optimization, and customer support. So guys, if you are happy with this lesson, write your questions. I'm going to answer them in Q&A. We will update this course. We will add additional lessons during the time. AI technologies like ChatGPT, they are developing on a regular basis. So will be a lot of new stuff and a lot of new lessons in this course soon. So let's talk a little bit about content creation with ChatGPT. This tool is really beneficial, and if we talk about the ability of content creation, it can be used in all fields. It's about blog writing, post writing for social media, email writing, etc. You can research ideas, you can find ideas, you can use ChatGPT to answer your question and find how you can use this toolkit to better understand your audience, your competitors, etc. Let's start, as usual, from the question to ChatGPT. Let's examine the ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT for creating content at digital marketing. And in my further examples, I will show you how we use it in our cases. And it will be really beneficial because we already use ChatGPT for creation some of our scripts, blog posts, social media posts, email, etc. We see that there are a lot of great ideas. The first way how you can use ChatGPT is generate ideas for the content. So if you want to create content, for example, about some topic, about GA4, we will use it for such case study, and you want to write blog article or you want to write some Facebook post about GA4 or any other digital marketing tool, you can ask ChatGPT what blog articles topics I can take in this field, in this niche. So it's the easiest way how you can use ChatGPT. The next thing, you can ask to create ChatGPT posts in exact social media network. our platform using all restrictions in symbols, in style, etc. It can be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any kind of other solution. Of course, if you create content on regular basis, it's about writing blog posts. You can create and write a blog post on different topics, and after that, distribute this content in your digital marketing channels such as email marketing, chatbots, messenger, social media, etc. And the last but not the least, we can generate email marketing copies. So when you create your content, you will distribute it. Let's examine Chat GPT in each case. For example, we need to create a new article about some big trends. What are good topics? What are good topics for blog posts in digital marketing? Well, let's talk about AI. So if you are going to write blog post or article or Facebook post about AI or AI in digital marketing, we have a lot of ideas for content we can create. For example, the role of AI in personalized marketing, AI-powered chatbots and customer services, AI predictive analysis, the ethics of AI in marketing, the future of AI in our marketing, AI in SEO, using AI for optimized ad campaigns, AI-powered content creation, etc. So this is how it works, and we found some ideas. We are going to research some topic and write an article about this. For example, I've mentioned that one of the most trending topics right now is GA4. People are moving from Universal Analytics to GA4. A lot of people did it in the last moment. So we need to understand what is the difference between Universal Analytics and GA4. So we can examine this tool, Chat GPT, what Chat GPT knows about this topic. What is difference GA4 and Universal Analytics? So from this knowledge, we can understand how GA4 works, on which technologies and stacks it's focused, why it's easier or better than Universal Analytics, and how you can grab data and how you make the transfer from Google Analytics Universal to GA4. So all this stuff is here. And the only one thing you need to do is just examine this, try to ask some experts what do they think about this content is relevant, maybe move some points from this bullet list, maybe add some points, and you will get not bad article for your blog or just for understanding of this topic. The next thing is, of course, title writing. You need to write some sexy titles about your GA4 article. We can ask write 10 different sexy titles about why I need to start using. And we have like 10 different titles. You can change the digit 10 to 20, 30, 50, depends. And you will have different ideas. For example, unlock the secrets of user behavior, revolutionize from tracking to actionable insights, get a complete picture of your customers, take control of your data, etc. If you don't like this, you can just click regenerate response and you will have 10 different answers, and it's also okay. So we have the first thing, we have idea how we can grab some topics. So we have exact topic we want to write about. We can research this topic we use in Chat GPT. You don't need to go Google. You can just ask the question about topic here. In some question, it can be really difficult, especially if it's searching for people, for companies. ChatGPT is not perfect. The most of database right now it's still before 2021, and that's why when you ask in such question is who is Anton Voronyuk, maybe it will not be the best solution in this case, but let's see. So we are waiting answer about Anton Voronyuk, but they think that there are a lot of other people's about Anton Voronyuk. Let's try to give more details. So it's another way, another key of researching information for content creation in Chat GPT, you need to give more details if you are searching for a company or for person. So if you are searching for who is Anton Veroniuk from Web Promo Experts, I think it will be more ideas that it can give. Who is Anton Veroniuk from Web Promo Experts? In these cases, they have some ideas. They have some ideas. Let's maybe try the last one, the association with the promo agency, where I have the most information. But in this case, it also didn't find info. In some cases, if you are searching information about, however, based on your question, it's possible that Anton Romeo is a member of a promo team, which is a digital marketing agency that provides range of services and so on. So in this case, we have a lot of small insights. We can give additional data, we can grab additional data, and making this artificial intelligence, this neural network, more clever, give it more details, and it will help you to collaborate with it better. As we see on this just chapter of ChatGPT collaboration, ChatGPT helped us to create this lesson structure. It helped us to find all topics for our blog post or Facebook post. It helped us to research some really difficult technical topic to understand what is difference, how it can be used, etc. It helped us to find the really great 10 titles ideas. After that, it's created 10 more. We discussed the main issue of working with ChatGPT, because if you are working just with in searching for exact person or company, it can be really not ideal. So guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask them in Q&A. Give me your examples, how do you use ChatGPT, and see you in the next lecture. Now let's talk about social media management and how ChatGPT can help you with this stuff. As usually, we will start from asking ChatGPT of how this toolkit can be used in social media management. Let's wait for the answer, but the main stuff is all about content. On the one hand, it's all about content creation, and in our previous lecture, we discussed the main key points, how you can use ChatGPT to create the content. Of course, we can go to find some content ideas. We can research topic, we can create different titles, and we can create exact kind of social media content or social media posts, checking the formats, checking the sentences or post lengths, etc. And of course, in our answer from ChatGPT, the content creation is maybe the main idea that we can use, and we already discussed it in previous lecture. On other side, we have audience engagement. ChatGPT can assist with responding to comments, messages, mentions, and so on. So, for example, if your audience is asking something that you don't know, you are not expert in this topic, and you are just starting your work, but you are managing these comments, you need to answer something about toolkit, about information, so you can approve and find this idea here. So ChatGPT can be useful in social media analytics, providing your insights about your performance, audience growth, engagement rates, etc. So this is also how it can be used. ChatGPT can be helpful in scheduling social media platforms and posting your content. As I mentioned, one of our clients, a very big bank, decided to use ChatGPT for pushing content to their social networks, and this is how it can work, and this is how we can use ChatGPT to automate all content scheduling and make it more efficient. The last but not the least, what we already discussed, it's customer service. ChatGPT can provide customer service support on social media platforms by answering common questions, directing customers to create resources. So let's have some practice. Let's use this artificial intelligence helping us create some content. What you need to do on a regular basis, you need to provide posts. So you need to create posts. And what we can ask ChatGPT to do, create some engaging post. Engaging post about SEO trends. Let's check what platform we need on Facebook. And as you see, even smiles, some key points, icons, and so on, they are already here that you can use for social media. Are you ready for the latest SEO trends of 2023? As we head further into the year, the important to head to that game and keep with the latest SEO trends. And here you see the latest SEO trends. They are AI-powered SEO, video content optimization, voice search optimization, local SEO, and EAT. It's expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. So this is how you create a just post for your social media about some SEO trends. Of course, in this case, you will need some pictures. And in this case, I recommend you to go to another AI. As I mentioned in this course, the most topic will be about Chat GPT, but artificial intelligence tools, they are not young, but not very old in marketing. We already use them for a few years. And one service that can help you to create a lot of great content, great pictures is DALI. You also can use Midjourney, a lot of other graphic artificial intelligence lab. So we can write something here. SEO specialist is happy. List is happy by the last major update results. By the last Google update. Of course, we understand that creating just text without pictures is the wrong solution if we work in digital marketing. So we need to find some good ideas. And this is some ideas how can look like your content, photo content, if you want to create posts. People are happy. They are happy that they have a really great Google update. You can regenerate these pictures. You can find more ideas. And these pictures can be already done for Instagram, for Facebook, etc. So don't hesitate, just use ChatGPT for writing your content. It's one big thing, but you also can use AI tools in graphic design. So you can use DALI, you can use Midjourney, you can use other toolkit to create some graphics. And at this moment you have picture, you have text, and just need to go and post in your social media, on your Facebook page, on your Twitter page, Telegram, etc. Sometimes you can ask Chat GPT for some piece of advice, for example, how to answer on rude comments. So if you don't know how to answer their comments in social media in the right way, ChatGPT can be your psychologist, a therapist who will help you and say that you need to stay calm. You need to acknowledge the comment, respond professionally, address the issue, offer help, etc. So this is how it works. These are the main key points, and you can use this stuff to manage your social media, to do it in the right way, find ideas, etc. I recommend still start social media marketing from grabbing information from your audience, what topics in social media marketing are interesting for them. But if you want to make it bigger, if you want to generate more ideas, of course, you can start with just GPT and grab these ideas. Now it's good time to talk a little bit about how you can use ChatGPT for your email marketing and your cold emails. For everyone who communicate with email marketing tools or use cold outreach in email, in LinkedIn, of course, ChatGPT can be a really valuable tool, especially for non-native speakers. For non-native speakers, it can make your efficiency twice bigger, 3 times bigger, etc. Let's start with ChatGPT, using it for classical email marketing. In classical email marketing, we need to write digest, we need to write some promo sales, we need to communicate with audience, we need to write some catchy titles for emails, etc. So let's ask ChatGPT first start from the topics, from the letter titles. Let's do and generate some catchy titles in topic of social media marketing. Write time catchy titles for email newsletter about social media management. Let's see how it will work. As usual, we need some time to think. Maybe Chat GPT will find some ideas. And we have some topics. Unlock the power of social media with these expert management tips. Revolutionize your social media strategy with these proven techniques. Maximize your online presence with effective social media management. Stay ahead of the game. Essential social media management hacks. The main thing you need to remember that not in all technical stuff ChatGPT is good. If you capitalize all words in your email titles, the probability that you will get in spam will be much more higher. So when you will use these titles, don't forget don't use all capitalized letters in all words of the titles. So we have 10 maybe email topics, email titles we can use. And after that, we can ask to write email, write newsletter about social media management. So they have subject, they have master and art on social media management, and the kind of digest that you can use. The Anton, social media management become essential part of our lives and businesses. Here are some main key topics, ideas, best regards, and on. So this is how it works and how it can be used. If you talk about traditional email marketing, you can use ChatGPT for creating subjects line, for subtopics. You can use it for titles. You can use it for generating emails, etc. Remember that some things, especially checking some spammy keywords, it's very important. Checking this capitalization, etc. It's really important. And if you want to check it before you will put this content in your emails, you can get to spam folder. You can have another technical issues. So in this case, we understand that artificial intelligence is good, but at the same time, it can't change the email marketer because the email marketer will be the guy who will change it, who will check it and make it more efficient and make it better. Another big approach that we have with our emails, it's called outreach. Cold outreach and cold emails. It can be used in different ways. It can be used in LinkedIn using such toolkit as LinkedIn Sales Navigator. It can be used in email, cold email services such as Hunter.io, Snow.io, Pitchbox, etc., where you create first email, introductional email, and you ask a person to help you, to do something for you. A person is not answering and you are starting follow-up in this person. So in this case, we can use toolkit of ChatGPT for writing emails, for writing follow-ups, for writing sequences messages, if we talk about LinkedIn and Sales Navigator activity, etc. So let's try to do something maybe SEO connected. Let's play in SEO outreach. Our next topic will be search engine optimization. And in this case, cold email marketing and SEO are very close. Link builders, outreachers, people who outreach websites and webmasters to get really valuable links, they are working in the one field. So let's talk a little bit how it works, and let's ask ChatGPT to write outreach email about link building options. So please write outreach So let's ask ChatGPT to write outreach email about blog posting and put in link on the webmaster's website. Let's do this. Okay. This case where ChatGPT is not changing my keywords, Grammarly still help me, but I think that ChatGPT will also change it in the future version. So we here have such kind of outreach email. Collaboration opportunity, blog posting on Web Promo Express or on Skills Booster. Dear webmaster, I hope this email finds you well. I was browsing your website and was impressed with the quality of the content. I want to write article, article will be good, and so on. Our experience in cold email shows us that this letter is too long, but as cold email marketer, the guy who will outreach to get the links, etc., you will be really good. You will be really good. In this case, you can make some sentences shorter. You can delete some paragraphs. You can add some, and etc. But if you will make this sequence twice shorter, you will win, and it will be really valuable. What we can ask, we can regenerate response. If we don't like this email, we always can click the regenerate response and get another version of email. And in the next section, we can ask Chat GPT to write maybe 2 or 3 different follow-ups and use this follow-up put in system like hunter.io or snow.io or any other cold email system. So we see how ChatGPT is writing right now all information, how it's generate the content, etc. So we can start asking for the follow-up. Write 3 different follow-up emails. We see that this letter is a little bit better. We are providing different options. You are talking about niche, about industry. You have different topics, but it's still pretty long. It's still pretty long. And if we talk about our next thing that we will need to do, we will need to write the follow-up. So we will ask ChatGPT just if they will finish with this letter. We can ask to write 3 different follow-up emails to the previous blog post and outreach email. Okay, we have the finalized version. Let's ask ChatGPT to write some follow-ups. Looks good. In this case, we have 3 follow-ups. Honestly, all of them, they are pretty long. They're really pretty long. They can be in some things a little bit shorter. The main secret in cold email is about personalization. We can and we need to add more personalized parameters. It's also about that artificial intelligence is not like the human work right now, but at the same time, it makes our life as outreach specialists, link builders, much more easier. And how we can use ChatGPT more in SEO approach, we will talk in the next lesson. If you have any ideas how you can use ChatGPT in your daily routine in email marketing, don't hesitate. Write this in Q&A session and we will discuss it. Now let's talk about my favorite topic, search engine optimization. There were a lot of great SEO tools in AI before ChatGPT, and honestly, we used them. For example, Surfer SEO that you can meet in other our courses is really great SEO tool that can help you optimize, find ideas about titles, how many keywords you need to put, etc. And it was brilliant. But ChatGPT honestly made the life of SEO specialists much more easier because generating titles, generating content, description, and so on, now it's much more easier and much more better. We will start from our regular question to ChatGPT, how ChatGPT can make your SEO better. In this case, we will have some ideas and we will examine the possibilities of using ChatGPT for search engine optimization, maybe some search engine reputation management tactics, activities connected with your content creation for SEO, blog posting, link building, etc. So we have few ideas. We've already discussed the content creation. Really, ChatGPT can create really quality content. We checked it in our first lectures. You can generate ideas, you can research topics, you can create content, etc. And in the most cases, it's unique content, so you will get the unique content, and so it's really good. You can ask ChatGPT to make keyword research for you. Of course, the data maybe will not be such brilliant and such good that is in case of your hand keyword research when you are going to Google, use Google Ads Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb, SEMrush, etc. But in this case, keyword research can be also really brilliant, and you can use ChatGPT in this purpose. Topic ideation. So ChatGPT can provide ideas for your blog posts. It's like the part of our content creation. ChatGPT can be useful in content optimization. ChatGPT can analyze your existing content and suggest optimization to improve it for search engine ranking. Of course, ChatGPT can be used for natural language processing. ChatGPT uses natural language processing to understand the context and the meaning of your content. So if we think about how we can use it in our purpose, we will do it just now on our example. For example, we can use our Skills Booster website. We can go to Skills Booster. We can take any content we like. For example, we can take our online conference, Artificial Intelligence Marketing Day, AI Marketing Day, and let's see what we can use in this case, what topics, what ideas, and so on. So let's generate from start. ChatGPT told that it can help us with keyword research. We can ask, do keyword research for AI marketing topic. Let's see what ideas can be and what keywords we can use to optimize our free online conference AI marketing days. Every SEO specialist knows that keyword research is one of the most routine parts. Every SEO loves to optimize it. That's why such toolkits as Ahrefs, SEMrush, SimilarWeb, and all others are popular, and they help SEO specialists to find more keywords. So we have a lot of keywords in this topic: artificial intelligence in marketing, AI marketing strategies, AI-powered marketing, machine learning in marketing, AI in marketing automation, personalized marketing with AI, chatbots and marketing, and so on. What we need to do after that, we need to take this list and to go to any toolkit. We can use Google Ads Keyword Planner, for example, to check the popularity of these keywords. Let's do it. We will go to Google Ads Keyword Planner and start checking. Let's check the geo. We will change it, not, for example, for the United States, and change the language for English. So now we can examine our keywords. We have artificial intelligence in marketing, which is searched by 720 people, AI marketing strategies 40 people, AI powered marketing 30 people, predictive analytics in marketing 480, chatbot for marketing 480, etc. But at the same time, Google Ads Keyword Planner gives us also other keyword ideas, and honestly, Google also uses its AI, machine learning algorithm, and so on to find these keywords, to combine them, and very often you can find really great ideas here. So the keyword research is maybe the first thing you can use in SEO. What else? Of course, we can use it for content creation and topic ideation, but we understand that it's maybe not the best way. So we already used this toolkit for this purpose in our first lesson. So let's do something new. We can ask ChatGPT to generate SEO title and SEO description for our AI marketing conference using previous keywords. Let's see how it works. Not bad. AI and Marketing Conference 2023 Strategies, Tools, and Trends. Register now. Meta description. Join the leading AI and marketing experts for a virtual conference in 2023. In my case, I see that the length of title and the length of description will be a little bit bigger than restrictions that we have from Google, but we need to double check it. In this case, we can ask to create title. We can ask to create title in 65 symbols, for example. Using previous keywords, generate SEO meta title for online about marketing, 65 symbols. We will need to wait a little bit. If you have some restriction and you are working, for example, not just with search engines, but for example, in marketplaces, our courses on Udemy, they have restrictions in simple for title length, for description length, etc. You can give exact technical task for Chat GPT and say that this is the length of this title. For example, we have AI marketing conference, license strategies, tools and trends. Okay, in this case, it was 57 symbol. Register now was not enough length, but it's okay. If we don't like this title, we always can regenerate, or we can ask the Chat GPT to write 10, 15, 20 different examples of title. So we talked about different optimization toolkit for Chat GPT. We discussed how to generate text. We discussed how to generate the content ideas, do keyword research, find titles, find descriptions, and this is okay. But at the same time, we can also grab some SEO techniques. As I mentioned, we usually use for this purpose Surfer SEO. It's another one tool that you will have in this toolkit. You can go here, you can go to Surfer SEO. I'll share some examples of our content. For example, we optimize with Surfer SEO our digital marketing course. We made it optimization, our digital marketing strategies, unlock your career. We have Mark from Surfer SEO. We have ideas what keywords and how often we need to pay here. Some ideas about headings, NLPs, etc. So all this stuff is here, so we can use it and we can optimize all of this and do it as efficient as we can. It's on the one hand. On the other hand, you can use ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write, for example, text about digital marketing courses, but use digital marketing certification keyword 15 times. Let's do it. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask write SEO text. Write SEO text about digital marketing courses using keyword. So write SEO text about digital marketing courses using keyword digital marketing certification 5 times. Marketing certification 5 times. Of course, we can use all the recommendations from Surfer SEO, digital marketing strategies, social media marketing, digital marketing certification course, learn digital marketing. We can recommend to ChatGPT how many keywords we can use in this stuff. Let's see it. Let's see how it will work. Of course, we will need it. We will need to wait. And after that, it will generate some ideas about digital marketing. Look into it once you carry in digital marketing. A digital marketing certification can help you stand out in crowded job market. So we will see how many times digital marketing certification will be used in this text, but I think that it will be enough. So let's summarize our SEO topic. In SEO topic, we discussed that SEO can be used for content creation, keyword research, topic ideation, content optimization, and natural language processing. We generated some keywords ideas. We optimized our title and descriptions for these keywords. We wrote some simple restriction. We used different keywords. We mentioned other tools that help you using ChatGPT functionality in your search engine optimization, such as Google Ads Keyword Planner. You can use also paid tools such as SEMrush, SimilarWeb, SERanking, etc. And of course, you can use other artificial intelligence tools such as Surfer SEO. If you want to find some ideas, if you want to grab ideas about SEO optimization, don't hesitate. Recommend how you used SEO tools, how you use AI in this toolkit, and we will be happy to see your ideas and recommendations in Q&A section. So guys, the last but not the least, it's the last practical lesson of this section and of this course. Now I will show you how you can use ChatGPT as student. So some of you who already visited one of our courses like digital marketing strategy, social media, content marketing, and so on, already know that we love home tasks. We try to do our courses as practical as we can. And I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT for doing of some of homework or doing the research for homework much more faster. Our traditional file with online marketing strategy templates looks like this. Here we have our mission statement. We have our USP for our product, competitive analysis that you need to do with SimilarWeb, some KPIs where you need to understand what will be your parameters for micro conversions, macro conversions, smart goals, etc. You can use target audience portrait. You need to describe your target portraits and understand who is your customer. And of course, the media plan, you need to structure your budget and understand how much money you need to get this audience for your goals and for your results. So let's see how ChatGPT can help you to do this homework. For example, we are trying to do it for ourselves, for digital marketing courses, educational projects, for example, for the United States market. Let's start from the mission statement. I will go to ChatGPT. I will take the first hour, it's our mission statement. So we are here and maybe let's move there. Yeah. And let's start with the mission statement for ChatGPT. Our first step will be to ask ChatGPT, dear ChatGPT, what mission will be good for educational projects? What for mission statement? So it will think a little bit, and the mission statement can look like this. Our digital marketing courses project is dedicated to providing comprehensive and up-to-date digital marketing education to students, professionals, and business of all sizes. Not bad. Let's move to the next step. We need USP. We need USP. So the next our tab here will be a USP analysis, and we will talk what USP can be for our digital marketing courses project. The next question to ChatGPT will be a form USP for digital marketing courses project. Let's see what ChatGPT can help us with this part of home task. So this is our unique selling proposition. Our digital marketing courses project stands out from the competition by offering a personalized and hands-on learning experience that focused on practical application. It's totally true. In all our Udemy courses, we have practical home tasks. We have 24/7 practical feedback from our team and from myself personally. So this is how it works, and we can use part of this USP in our communication, our messages, social networks, ads, etc. What will be the next? Well, the next will be a competitive analysis. Now let's try to do competitive analysis for our digital marketing courses niche. Let's use SimilarWeb data. And we can show what metrics we need. We need traffic, bounce rate, for example. What else we have in this table? We have pages per visit, average visit duration, pages per visit, time on site, etc. So let's see how SimilarWeb can help us. There is some small minor error. Let's ask to take SimilarWeb data. Not bad. At least it's grabbing SimilarWeb ranking data, but if we will try to change the question, it will help us to rank these sites by traffic. We can take the list of these websites. This is one way, but if you will find the right request, you will get the data with the number of traffic, of bounce rate, and so on. So it depends on the query. So we see that artificial intelligence don't understand us in all cases. How we can also use this data? We can ask, for example, Chat GPT to create the data about our macro and micro conversions. We can ask for our digital marketing project, what are viable macro and micro conversions. Chat GPT will think a while, tell us what is the macro conversions and what are the micro conversions. And we have a list of macro conversions, which are the primary. We have courses sign up and purchases, courses completion, and micro conversions. Newsletter sign-ups, free trial registrations, social media follows, contact for submission, live chat engagement, and this is just a few of examples. Let's see and try to grab data for our another questions. The next question is about target audience portrait creation. Here we can ask to create the target portrait for our audience. Create table with target audience portraits for digital marketing courses on US market. Get data for the next field. Next parameters. Let's see how it will work. As we understand, ChatGPT will need a little bit time, and it will answer us who is our portrait. We have name, gender, age, interest, geo, language, income, education, customer pain, knowledge of the product, how it interacts with the product, and how it interacts online. It will need a little bit time for ChatGPT to build the table. In our cases, we tried it for different case studies. It's pretty good. In some cases, we need to find the right query. For example, the similar web request with competitors was not lucky at this time. But very often, ChatGPT gives us similar web data, Ahrefs data, for example, about the links. You also can ask about the tables with the number of subscribers on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. So we have some examples. For example, we had just the query with the data. I'll repeat it. So we can give this data and it will take time. Or it can create it on all personal form, like age, gender, education, income. Maybe you will find some ideas that you can take for your main table and make it bigger. The last but not the least, you can create the media plan. Please create a viable media plan. We need all this data. Let's see how it will look like. I think for somebody it can look like a magic, but at the same time, the home tasks in some courses become much more easier. Use this hint. Remember to check the data, because in our case, we check the data and very often ChatGPT gives not actual data. For example, in traffic, it can show 2 million, but real traffic is 1 million, etc. So use artificial intelligence to improve your process, but don't forget that artificial intelligence still don't kill their work of humans, and it will be a great thing that will help you make your life easier, but you still must be the engineer, must be the person who will manage and improve artificial intelligence work. Thank you for your attention, and write in Q&A section what do you think about it.
So we finished our course about ChatGPT. The main thing that you need to remember that this course will be renewed and updated. The same as AI will be refreshed, there will be new technologies, new toolkit, and each day it becomes more and more efficient. So don't hesitate, put your honest review in this course. If you think that it's a 5-star course, please put us 5-star. But if you think that we missed something, don't hesitate, write it in the comments. Tell us if the sound is not okay, if the video is not okay, and if we missed some content. We will be happy to change this course for you. And the most important, you will have the lifetime access to this course. So, telling us truth about this course, put in your reviews, will help us and we will help you updating this course, changing videos, adding new features, any tricks, strategies and tactics, and you will win and we will win. So I'm happy that you were a student on this course. Don't hesitate to leave your honest feedback, leave your reviews, and we will see you in our next courses. It was Anton Warnyuk from Skills Booster. Thank you to be my student and see you in my next courses.
Your feedback is important to us. To leave a review, go to the My Learning page and click on the course that you wish to review. Your input will help us make our course better. Since you have already bought the course, all updates will be provided to you free of charge. My goal is to always make the best lessons possible. Once you are at the Leave a Rating section, we would appreciate it if you gave us your honest rating along with written feedback. The written feedback will really help us determine the areas of the course that need improvement. In your feedback, please let us know if the course audio and video is good. If you feel that we are lacking information and some topics, please tell us in your feedback. If you have topics that you think we should add, you can also let us know. Here are some constructive criticism examples we received from our students. This student told us that SimilarWeb did not offer data for small sites. Since SimilarWeb does not offer data for smaller sites, we offered our students an alternative tool called SEMrush. Another student told us that we did not have enough practical tasks within the lesson, so we added tables, checklists, and additional practical materials. We take all of your feedback very seriously, and we will do our absolute best to improve the course. Thank you for your review and detailed critiques. Hey guys, it's Anton Warnyuk and our Q&A session. One of the most popular questions in this session is how can I get my certificate? Of course, user experience of Udemy platform is not the best one, and sometimes it's rather difficult to find your certificate. Let's do it. The first step, you have login to your account. After that, you are going to My Learning. You are going to My Learning tab, and here we are. You can see all the courses that you are enrolled on Udemy. Let's check any one course where I have 100% completed. In this case, it's Ultimate Unofficial Udemy Online Courses Guide. If you didn't complete whole course, you will not get certificate. Even you have 1% of video or any article that you didn't read, you will not get the certificate. So before asking Udemy or me or any other person to give you a certificate, please check. Did you finish the course? In case I have less than 100% of completeness, you will not get certificate of the course. For example, Udemy Masters, I watched just 96% of course. So when I try to go here and I want to go to my progress, I can just see that I'm completed 63 of 64 complete lectures. And in this case, I need to finish one more. I will need to find one more lecture before I will get the certificate. Let's check. I have checked one lecture that I finished it. Let's check, can I get certificate? Yes, now I can get certificate. I just click here, get certificate. And yeah, certificate of completion. This is a certified that Anton Warnyuk successfully completed 6 total hours of Udemy Masters Learn online course creation unofficial online course on May 27, 2021. So now I've get my certificate, I can download it, I can download it as PDF, I can share it in social networks, I can post it to Facebook, to LinkedIn, etc. And in this case, I have to get my certificate. But one more time, if you didn't complete the course, if you didn't have 100% of completeness here, you will not get your certification yet. Let's check one another course, for example, the Ultimate Udemy Guide. And in this case, I have 100% done, and I can get certificate here and get certificate. It's easy to do. If you have such issue, if you have such problem, just check any lecture, any materials, assignments, etc. in course, and if you already done them, you have 100%, you will get your certificate, and I congratulate you. You can now post it to LinkedIn and do your best. Thank you for your attention. It was Anton Voronjuk.